Hello friends, the purpose of this video is to show why A-B testing is very important for ML operations, and again we take help of RoboFlow. So RoboFlow allows us to deploy multiple models, and right now we have three different models deployed for a vector trying to detect another vector. These models are versions 1, 4 and 6. And what we will do is cycle through these models and show you the importance of A/B testing. So you can see right now that model version 6 is working, and you can see that it just changed to model version 1, right? So you can see that vector is very easily detected and well detected in version 1, and we just switched to version 4. So we have models circulating every 10 seconds, and right now you can see that it switched to model 6, and model 6 was slightly worse because you can see that the bounding box is much larger than model 1. Right, so right of this you can make a judgment that model 1 is better than model 6. And between model 1 and model 4 it's a tough comparison, but hopefully in some time we'll be able to decide which one is better. So the aim of this tutorial is to explain to you the importance of choosing the right model when you're working through a ML operations pipeline, and doing A/B testing to let your users select which model is best, and then make forward progress from that model.